Mondelez International's multicultural campaigns boost global visibility and loyalty. Leveraging partnerships and cultural insights, they've connected with high-growth markets. Here's a glimpse at their top campaigns, target demographics, objectives, regions, and results. Oreo's Proud Parent campaign celebrated LGBTQ acceptance with a short film and Rainbow Oreos, highlighting family support and resonating on social media, reinforcing their commitment to inclusivity. Cadbury Dairy Milk and Age UK's campaign against elderly loneliness featured textless packaging and donated 30p per bar sold. Since 2019, over 1 million participants raised over PS 530,000, resonating with UK consumers who value social causes. Mondelez's campaigns for Belvita and Trident targeted Brazilian adults, focusing on loyalty and awareness. Using Google's brand lift and local celebrities, they achieved a 57% ad recall for Belvita and a 36% brand awareness increase for Trident, showcasing effective culturally targeted marketing. Mondelez is investing $1 billion globally by 2024 to support minority and women-owned businesses, boosting economic inclusion and growth. By integrating these businesses into its supply chain and addressing local community needs, Mondelez strengthens its reputation for social responsibility and supplier diversity. Trident's Chew for Change campaign in South Africa provided entrepreneurial training for underprivileged youth. Through a mobile app, each gum purchase funded the initiative, offering job opportunities while boosting brand loyalty by aligning with community values. Mondelez International's multicultural campaigns reflect a keen understanding of local preferences and societal values adaptability. By addressing unique cultural aspects and social challenges in various markets, Mondelez fosters connections that go beyond product marketing.